Welcome back to another great year at Saline Middle School. I'm one of your hosts for our first episode of SMS Buzz, Deniz Ozil.
And I'm your host, Suhani Dalela. We're ready to bring you all the news and highlights for this school year. In today's episode, we'll be kicking off our coverage with another season of Geek Weekly and look into the newly renovated science rooms.
Let's get right into the news. Believe it or not, next week is the last week of the first trimester. There will be half days on Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, and parent-teacher conferences on Wednesday and Thursday. Teachers will be in their classrooms to meet with families from 12 to 4 p.m. and 5 to 7:15 p.m. Make sure to finish your first trimester strong and get help if you need it.
Have you been struggling in school and you're looking to get some extra help? The Saline Middle School Homework Hive after-school homework completion and tutoring program is a great opportunity to get that extra boost you may need. It's available every Tuesday and Thursday from 3 to 4 p.m. in the hotspot.
Welcome to the first episode of Geek Weekly on SMS Buzz. We keep you up to date with the latest entertainment. Without hesitation, let's get right into it. We have a battle between multiple corporate giants in the streaming industry. Disney now has Disney Plus, a monthly service that allows you to watch any movie from Disney's history. Google now has Google Stadia, a streaming service for video games. It has a lot of great titles out there I'm sure that many fans will enjoy. As well as Apple TV, Apple's version of a streaming service for movies, shows, and... Aside from that, a new Star Wars has been announced for December 20th, 2019. The last movie was The Last Jedi, so who's to say about the future of the franchise? And finally, Super Smash Bros. Club will begin on November 13th from 3 to 4:30. With that said, that's Brady Nautry, signing off.
It's great to see the Geek Weekly tradition continue on the show. We hope you learned something new and are considering joining us at our Smash Bros. Club next week.
This past weekend, Saline Middle School hosted a national debate tournament, and two of our students made a huge splash at the competition. A huge congratulations goes out to Sarah Youssef and Michael Bryant for placing second in a high school national debate tournament hosted by University of Michigan. What an amazing accomplishment for Sarah and Michael to be competing so well against high schoolers in a national competition. I think it's safe to say that I won't be getting into a debate with either of these two anytime soon. It's that time, folks. To close out today's show, let's send it over to Sarah Youssef for a spotlight on our newly renovated science rooms.
Wow, this is really different. These science labs are so nice. I wonder what the people at SMS think of them. Let's find out.
I believe that these science rooms have actually improved a lot over this year. I really like the new areas compared to last year. I feel like it helps you to focus on your work and learning. When I first saw these new rooms, I was actually very excited because I got to see a lot of the new areas that were being introduced, such as the collaboration stations. And I believe that these are really fun because you get to hang out with your friends, but you also get to do work, which also really improves your learning. Some things that done in the science rooms that are really cool are some experiments, such as using the Bunsen burners to light steel wool on fire, which was really cool to see the reaction that happened. And we also did something with hot plates that we got to see the boiling point of water and the freezing point and when ice melted and when it started to boil, which is a lot of fun. I believe these rooms have allowed us to focus more on the stuff that the teacher is teaching and allows us to work on our homework or other work that we have to do in class, and it allows us to do this work better.
I think they're much nicer and more organized. I think the science rooms compared to the last year ones, this year they're much nicer and much more organized, and they just look newer. My reaction was when I first saw these rooms, I was pretty surprised because they're just completely different than they were last year. Some cool things we've done in the new science rooms this year are just a bunch of experiments with balloons and with climate change and other things.
I've been teaching for about 10 years now. This is my first year here at Saline Middle School, so it's been a really, really cool experience. The labs have been really, really amazing for me, specifically because it allows me to do activities that I wouldn't have been able to do. It provides flexible seating for the learners so they're able to move around. I can kind of shift things, make stations for them, and the collaboration spaces have been really, really cool because they have allowed learners to have little bit more quiet time. They can go in there and focus on something without necessarily having to worry about everything else that's going on around them. Some feedback that I received from the students about the classes that they do enjoy it. They like what it has to offer them. They said in the past that it was more difficult to move around the room. They just felt like they were kind of stuck in one space, where this space they feel a little bit more free to move around and learn in some different settings. Like they're not just attached to one desk, one station. There's just a lot of flexibility to it.
Even though we're clearly still figuring out the ups and downs of these science labs, they're a great addition to our science program. Back to you at the studio.
Well, that was interesting, seeing all of the different perspectives on our new science labs.
Well, that's all the time we have for today. Thanks for joining us for the first episode of the season. Signing off, I'm Deniz Ozil.
And I'm Suhani Dalela. Join us next Friday for another episode of SMS Buzz, where we'll bring back our buzz in game show and recap the fall sports season.
Stay classy, Celine!